We are Team 71 representing Face of Our Technologies. The members of Team 71 are MD Ashraful Islam, CEO, Sheikh Mohammad Mohibur Rahman, COO, MD Ashiqur Zaman, Manager Operation, MD Asadud Zaman Asif, Programmer, Tanjil Hassan, Designer, and I am Faria Mahmoud, Software Developer. Our topic is unmanned drone-based aerial pesticide sprayer. This technology is based on drone which aims to have an impact on agricultural development by helping the farmers working on the fields. Usually a farmer carries the spray with them and visits the field physically to spray the pesticides on the land. But we aim to make this process unmanned. We plan to set booths at several locations where the farmer visits the booth, pays for the pesticide and provides the address of their land. The operator will control the drone with mobile app technology. He will fill the tank of the drone with the required fertilizers, set the location of the land using GPRS as well as the returning route and sends the drone to that field. The drone uses this information to reach the land, sprays the pesticides and returns back. So there is zero involvement of human with the harmful pesticides. This technology helps general people in three main ways: time, value and health. Starting with the first point, time, usually it takes 8 hours to spray 15 kg of fertilizers on the land. But with the help of our system, it will only take 30 minutes to spray the same fertilizer. This saves a huge amount of time. Secondly, it costs around 15 to 20 USD in this normal process, but it will cost only 2 to 3 USD with the drone technology. The third point is the health issue. In a research, we found that this pesticide exposure causes several diseases such as neurological and skin disease. According to a research by World Health Organization, around 3 million workers are affected, from which 18,000 dies. All these issues can be solved with the use of this technology. NASA announced in May 2018 that a drone-like helicopter would be used in the Mars 2020 mission to help look for signs of life on Mars. The helicopter will help as a scout for the rover, gathering information about the planets and serving areas the rover cannot reach. The space agency is planning another drone mission, this time to Titan, one of Saturn's moons. With the mission expected to cost around $1 billion, the drone will be nuclear powered and about the size of a small compact car. As this technology is unmanned drone based, so NASA can use this technology for various purposes even out of space. Our idea till now is based on land, but if this technology is integrated with NASA, then it can be used to develop more advanced technologies for the benefit of the society. We have calculated and found that this technology reduces 10% of the effect that I have mentioned earlier, which saves 1,800 in 1 year. We believe this percentage will gradually increase every year, making this technology 100% effective.